So what Femtanyl does in almost all of her songs is use like rave stabs. I'm using Rave Generator 2, and I just made a little pattern that goes like this. So that's pretty silly. Femtanyl doesn't really have a single drum pattern that she goes to. So for this song, I just did like a 4 on the floor type thing. For the bass, I have this serum patch. It's literally just a triangle wave, and I'm putting it through distortion, a sidechain, EQ, more distortion, more sidechain, more distortion. Basically, just put a lot of distortion on your bass, and you should be good. In almost every Femtanyl song, she puts like vocals. Originally, the vocals sound like this. So I stretched them out to the BPM, and then I pitched them down 1. I EQ'd them first and foremost. And then I've got down sample and chorus on it. And then I have another serum effects, which has a delay on it. And that's making it echo a little bit. I'm just using this auto-tune plugin to shift the formant up. And then I'm putting more distortion on it. And this is the most important part. I've got an LFO tool that's chopping it every quarter note so that it's on the beat. So it's making it choppier, and this helps with the rhythm a lot. And then with the beat, it'll sound like this. That's how you do vocals. So Femtanyl uses a bunch of breaks in her songs. So I have the almond break here. I've got this break. I've got a snare from the almond break that I just sampled. So I have a crash that just plays over and over again for noise. A drum loop that I used. And I just sped it up so it sounds really hyper. And I have some background noise elements. Just to add more stuff. It sounded kind of empty, so I just added that. And then midway through the song, you definitely want to have someone screaming in the background. So I have this sample. That's just like a screaming sample, but I distorted it a shit ton and filtered it too. And then it goes on the beat right here. But yeah, someone screaming unintelligibly in the background is definitely a requirement for Femtanyl music. And then also you're gonna wanna make the kicks really fast at some point in the song. I'm pretty sure this pattern is just kind of arbitrary. I don't really know what I did. I just placed some random notes. For the cover art, you're going to want to make sure that you take a picture of your screen with your phone and then use that as the cover art. That way you can see all the individual pixels, because that's what Femtanyl does in almost all of her covers. You're going to want to name the song something really edgy and then put some numbers in the title. And then you're done, pretty much. Here's the song.